If someone gave you $1 million today but took away your ability to earn money tomorrow, would you still become wealthy? Your answer reveals the biggest financial lesson most people never learn. Money is not the reward for working hard. It is the reward for solving problems, creating value, and making wise decisions. Many people spend their entire lives chasing money, but very few spend time learning how money actually works. The first financial lesson is this: if you cannot manage a little, you will never keep a lot. Money doesn't change character. It reveals it. The second lesson is this: your lifestyle grows faster than your income if you don't control it. Every pay raise brings a bigger car, a bigger house, more expensive clothes, and before long, a higher income creates the same financial stress. Real wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about living below your means while building above your circumstances. Here's another truth most people ignore. Your greatest financial investment is yourself. The more valuable your skills become, the more valuable your time becomes. Read books. Learn new skills. Improve your thinking. No one can steal the knowledge you invest in yourself. Another lesson: never spend today's money to impress people who won't remember you tomorrow. Many people are drowning in debt just to appear successful. They buy things they don't need, with money they don't have, to impress people who don't truly care. That isn't wealth. That's financial slavery. Money is an excellent servant, but a terrible master. If money controls your decisions, your peace disappears. But when wisdom controls your money, freedom begins. The richest person in the room isn't always the one with the biggest bank account. It's the one who has peace, discipline, patience, and the freedom to choose how they live. Because true wealth isn't measured only by what you own. It's measured by what owns you. So earn with integrity, spend with wisdom, save with purpose, invest with patience, and remember, your future isn't built by one big financial decision. It's built by the small money choices you make every single day. Master your money, or your money will master you. If this message changed the way you think about money, don't let it stop here. Like this video to support the channel. Comment: I will master my money before it masters me. Subscribe to Wisdom Logic for powerful life lessons, timeless wisdom, and practical financial insights that inspire lasting success. Remember, small financial decisions repeated consistently create extraordinary futures. Thank you for watching.